Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to install Llama, a fantastic tool that lets you run large language model like Llama 2, Minstrel on your local computer. This means you can chat with these AI models without needing an internet connection. So first, head over to Llama AI website. On the website, go to download. Over here you will find three options: Mac, Linux, and Windows. For now, Olama is not available for Windows, so Windows user have to perform some extra step to run Linux on Windows to be able to run Olama, which is pretty simple. I will explain it. For Mac user, you can just download it and go through the process. For Windows user, first we will need to install WSL, which is Windows Subsystem for Linux. For that, you have to go to command prompt and type WSL dash install. Once you run it, it will start installing. Once you have done that, you will be prompted with a message. You have to click yes, and once you have clicked yes, it will start downloading and installing WSL. Once it's done, you have to type WSL space dash list space dash online. It will list all the available distros of Linux. Now from this you can choose your preferred distro. I'm going to choose Ubuntu 22.04. To install it, you have to type following command in CMD. Once done, click enter. Now it will start installing your Linux distro on your PC. Once it's installed, it will ask you to enter a username. If for some reason you get this type of error, just make a username that only has small letters, and then you have to type the password and re-enter the password. Once it's done, it should look like this. Now your Ubuntu is running. Now this step will be same in Linux and Windows. Head over to olama.ai website, go to downloads, click on Linux, and over here you will see this line. Copy it and paste it in your terminal. Press enter and it will start downloading Olama in your WSL. It might take some time. Once it's done, it will ask you to enter your Linux password. Now Olama is installed on your WSL. Now to get your preferred AI model, head over to Olama AI's model section. Over here you can find multiple AI models. For now, I will be using OpenHermes since I need it for a future video. You can also use Minstrel, which is also a pretty good model. Whichever model you choose, the installation process will be same. Just go to the model, copy this, and just run it in your Ubuntu. Now it will start downloading it. As you can see, OpenHermes is about 4 GB in size. It might take some time depending on your internet speed. And that's it. Now your local LM is running. Now you can chat with your AI model locally, just like you would chat with ChatGPT or other AI models. Let's say hi. As you can see, it takes at most 3 to 4 seconds before it starts replying, which is pretty good for a local LLM model. Even in CPU, I have tested it and it can take up to 30 seconds for one line of output. When I asked it to create a story of more than 100 words, it took about 5 minutes. So keep that in mind. If you are using CPU, it will take time. But even in CPU with just 6 GB of RAM, I was able to run it locally, which is pretty good. Let's test it by asking the AI to generate some HTML code to create a box with a button which when clicked changes the color in the box. Let's see how it performs. Now that it's done generating the output, I will just copy it and paste it in online IDE. And as you can see, it did work pretty well. So that's it for today. Thank you. And don't forget to like and subscribe. We will make a video on how you can run a text to image model with generation speed of as low as 2 seconds. So stay tuned.